Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Yeah, man. Thank God for another day. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I just wanna show you the mobile settings, man. FS Studio mobile settings. Yeah, man. I just had to go through these settings, show you some of the cool features that we have in FS Studio mobile. So this one is more like a beginner's tutorial because I want new people that are still coming to the game, new to the game, new to the FL Studio mobile space to get that exposure to a lot of things and know some of the things that they didn't know, man. So yeah, man, make sure you watch the video until the end. I'm gonna be explaining everything about the FSTO mobile settings. Sure, so make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share, and go visit my other videos. There's a lot of information that I'm dropping each and every day. So yeah, man, thanks for watching. Let's get straight to the video. Peace. The FSTO mobile settings are easy and straightforward, man. Let's open our FL, go straight to the settings. Let's go straight to the settings and once we are here, the first thing we see is the MIDI. So if you have MIDI keyboard, you can input your MIDI right here. If you don't have anything available, so just like me, although I want to buy a MIDI, you can scan Bluetooth devices. Yeah, for FS Studio mobile users, and then audio compensation. I don't really understand this feature, but it says to accurately align recordings with the playlist, please complete the audio recording delay calibration. Disconnect any headphones, turn up the volume, and use quiet location. I don't really understand this compensation, but I really want to learn more about it. So let's get back to the settings. We need to keep on checking the sound mode. I like to keep it safe. I don't really understand more about the ultra safe, fast and native. MIDI driver standard, yeah, metronome level. So this one here is up to you if you want the metronome to be louder when you're making a beat, or to be just a cool simple metronome, you understand. So let's make an example. So let's say I'm trying to make a beat and then I increase the metronome level to the max, then it will sound too loud, or if I decrease it a little bit down, then it's gonna be, the volume will be down, right? So of course, so you need to make sure you love the kind of level that is, it won't disturb your ears and all that. Let's keep on going. Enable multi-track recording. Here is when you're recording too many tracks at the same time. Enable counting when recording, like 1 2 3 or 3 2 1 go. So enable ghost notes. Okay, what are ghost notes? Most of y'all don't know what is ghost notes. Let me make an example. Let me try to open a pattern. Let's say I'm laying down the chord progression. Of course, there are no instruments here, so I'm trying to lay down a chord progression. So I will show you how the ghost notes can help you learn music theory. So let's say I turn them off, right? And let me go to another pattern. Let me try to choose a scale and let me go to another part. Sorry. Let me turn them on. Try to lay down some chord progression. I hope you're understanding and you're not lost. Let me open another pattern, okay? Here are your ghost notes. You see the ghost notes here. Those chords that are laid down on top of the first pattern, they will appear on the second pattern. So these ghost notes, like, they help you follow the root notes of the melody or the chord progression so that you don't get lost, and the music won't sound out of tune. Like, you follow up with these ghost notes until the end of the beat when you add your 88 and your bass and all that. So enable sharing files with nearby devices. Yeah, of course. And then another thing is a cool feature of setting your uh middle C. Oh my god, I don't understand that, but yeah, let me just try to find the C here on the keyboard. I don't find it. Set middle C to C4. C4, okay. Well, that I don't really understand. I don't want to lie, man. Let's go to the user interface themes. We got the deep blue, we got the FL Studio, we got the paper, we got the clay, we got the ground, we got the high contrast A and B, and we got the mint. So there's a lot of themes here that you can play around with. Let's go to scaling. You can increase this or zoom the size of your flstudiomobile. Okay, so if you want, let's say you're making beats on a tablet, of course it's better to use 75%. Let me make an example. But then let's re-enter the flstudiomobile and check. Nothing changed, so I didn't restart the flstudiomobile the right way. Okay, I need to quit so that this scaling will have an effect. Okay, again, I made a mistake of not exiting the right way. I need to come and quit to get the effect of the scaling. The scaling is more like zooming. Okay, 100% is good for mobile phones. 200, I don't know. So for those people who are myopic, they have a problem with their vision, they can't see smaller, they can't see at a like far distance, I guess. So let me make an example and do it the right way. Okay, you need to come here and quit, exit flstudiomobile, then re-enter again your flstudiomobile. So you will have the effect of scaling. Remember, I put it on 200%, right? The last time, look what happened. You get a zoom flstudiomobile, so it's good actually. I would like to do this when I'm making my thumbnail so that they will be zoomed out, and yeah. So let's change it to a 75%. You will see that it's more like small for devices like tablets and PC and all that. You see, like you see FSM mobile. It's very cool feature. Most people, they underestimate it, and they don't know that it's very important and it can help them with the production. But I like to keep it on 100% because I'm using a mobile phone, of course, when I'm making my beat. All right, let's take it back to 100% so that we can see it the way we found it. Okay, so back again, let's keep on going with the settings. Continuous scrolling during playback, this one is very important. It helps me that, like, instead of following up with the track, it will just scroll along the way. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say I'm laying down the notes. So let's say I'm laying down the notes. If you don't understand why everything is muted, because I didn't choose any instrument, look what is happening. It's moving, right? Continuous scrolling playback, it's moving along the way, it's moving along the way. But look what happened when I stop this continuous scrolling playback. Look what happened, it doesn't move along the way as with time. Okay, so this white line is not moving at all because of this cool feature. Let's see if I take it back again. You will see what happened if I zoom in. It will have an effect. Let me show you. Look what happened. You see, it's moving along with the time. Look at the white line, the horizontal white line, vertical white line. It's moving with the time, right? Horizontal or vertical white line. So let's keep on going. Show key names on keyboard and piano roll. Of course, I've got to know the scales that I'm using, the keys that I'm using. So let's say I turn it off. You won't see the key names. Let's open here. You won't see the A sharp or B sharp or D sharp if you don't turn them on. Let's turn them on. You'll see everything. I'm sure you don't understand what I did right there. Let's move forward. Show CPU and RAM. Of course, you can see the CPU and RAM is there, right? If I remove, they are not there anymore. CPU and RAM are very important if your music is glitching or your beat is too much for the device you're using. And then uh, last but not least, we're about to finish the settings. Let me keep on showing you the only show scales keys on a keyboard. Scales keys. Show range labels on a keyboard. These are like not that important, but important if you love a keyboard too much in a type of way. So another thing, we have share logs, restore demo songs, restore default settings. If you don't like anything, you can change everything. that you have changed. Okay, then you can come here to cloud backup, where you lose your phone or anything or device that you're using for making beats. Then you can sign in with your Google Drive or OneDrive, so that you don't lose your files anymore, so that when you buy a new phone or a new device and you want to keep making beats, they will be are available for you, and you'll find them right here, right? Simple as that, man. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, and yeah, man. See you in the next video. Signing out. Yeah, man, that's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks once again for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, man, have a good day, man.